Hello dear students, welcome to my class of mathematics. In today's class, we will learn how to find area of square, area of rectangle, area of triangle and area of circle. And what is the formula to find area of square, area of rectangle, triangle and circle. That we are going to learn in today's class. Let's start one by one. The first figure is square. What is the meaning of square? Four-sided figure in which all the sides are equal. You can see here four sides are there. AB is one side, BC is one side, CD is one side, DA or AD is one side. Four sides are there. Four-sided figure in which the length of all the sides are equal. That figure is called as square. How to find area of square? The formula to find area of square is side square, student. Whatever is the side, square of that will give you area of square. Suppose sides are 4 meter. Side is same for all, 4 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter. And what will be the area of square? Side is 4. So we have to substitute here 4 square. We'll get 16. Answer is 16 meter square. This is how we can find the area of square, student. Now next is rectangle. This is called rectangle. What do you mean by rectangle? A four-sided figure. Same here in the square also we have four-sided figure, and here it is also four-sided figures in which opposite sides are equal. This side and this side is equal. This side and this side is equal. That figure is called as rectangle, student. If opposite sides are equal, that figure is called rectangle. If all the four sides are equal, that figure is called square. Keep in mind, this is rectangle. How to find the area of rectangle? Suppose this is our length and this is breadth. This is length of the rectangle, this is breadth of the rectangle. We just need to multiply length into breadth. Will give you area of rectangle. This is the formula to find area of rectangle. Formula is length into breadth. This is the formula to find area of square, side square. Suppose length is 20. Suppose length is 20 and breadth is 5. Suppose length is 20 meter, breadth is 5 meter. What we will do to get the area of rectangle? 20 into 5, it will be 100 meter square. So this is how we can find the area of rectangle, student. Now let's move to the area of triangle. Let's see how to find the area of triangle and what is the formula to find area of triangle. The formula to find area of triangle is, the formula is half into base into height. This is called base, student. This is base and this is called as height, And also keep in mind, this is also called as altitude, student. So this is the formula to find area of triangle. To find area of triangle, we have to use this formula. Half into base into height. B stand for base, H stand for height. Keep in mind, the another name for height is altitude. Suppose base is 12 and height is 8. Suppose this is 8 and this is 12. How to solve? 1 by 2 as it is. Base is 12 into height is 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Now 12 fours are 48 meter square. 1 into 12 is 12. 12 into 4 is 48. We divide 8 and 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Now student, next the formula to find area of circle. To find the area of circle, the formula is pi r square, student. Suppose radius of the circle is given. What do you mean by radius? Radius means a line drawn from center of the circle to the circumference of the circle is called radius. As you have seen here, I have drawn one line from center of the circle to the circumference of a circle. This is called radius. Suppose radius is 7. Suppose radius is 7. Now let's see how to get the answer for it. What is the value of pi? Pi value is 22 divided by 7. This is the value of this pi. This is called as pi, and its value is, student, 22 divided by 7. Keep in mind. And what is the value of r? What is the value of radius? That is 7. 7 square. Now this can be written as 22 into 49 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 sevens are 49. Now the remaining is 22 into 7. 7 twos are 14. 14. 4 carry 1. Again 7 twos are 14 plus 1. 15. This is our answer for area of circle. I hope you understood what is the formulas to find area of square, area of rectangle, area of triangle, area of circle, and also how to find it. If values are given, how to find. I hope you understood that also. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Tech Mathematics. And you have to write this in homework. In classwork one time, and in homework each formula with by taking values and solving. Okay, With this, you have to solve 3 times. Thank you very much for watching my videos.